How to set up direct deposit on TD Bank app. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Let me move into one of the official article, which is going to guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily set up direct deposit on TD Bank. So this is one of the article which is going to help you out. The very first thing you want to do is to enter your login credential and then log into your specific account. You need to head over to direct deposit and then choose the specific account. Let me choose personal for now. Well, you will need to follow them in order to set up direct deposit. Now toggle on this option, I am the account owner, and then click on continue. Select e-signature agreement and then click on accept e-sign. Tap on online banking agreement and then click on accept terms. Now you will have to enter all of your detailed information. Enter all of your personal information as well as personal account information. Once you have entered all the information, tap on continue at the bottom. Now you will need to create a password for your account. Once you have created the password, tap on continue at the bottom. Now simply review the information about single-use security codes. And then click on get started. Click on accept at the bottom right corner. Once done, enter your phone number and then enable this option. Now you can simply click on call me or text me. Once done, enter the code that you'll be receiving on your phone number. Once you've entered the code, tap on confirm at the bottom of the screen. Well, you can also add up to 3 more phones to get codes, and then click on continue or maybe later. Once you're all done, tap on submit and finish. Tap on continue. Well, your direct deposit setup has been completed successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.